What's up, guys? It's Brian here from Full Body Athletics, but most importantly, upgrade mentality. Today, guys, we are July 24th, and today's podcast is number 27, and we're talking about your worst enemy, cardio.
1, 2, 3, 4.
So welcome, guys, to today's podcast. Okay, I feel vibrant. I feel full of energy, guys. I just came back from a weekend workshop, with the best gym owners all over the United States, but not just in the United States, also in Canada and other parts of the world. Really amazing experience, guys. I'll talk more in another podcast because I don't want to talk about this right now, but all that to say that life is beautiful, guys. We're always growing, we're always bettering ourselves, and hopefully if you're listening to this podcast, you're doing the same yourself. So, one of the most hated subjects of all training is cardiovascular training, or cardio in other words. A lot of my clients, whenever it comes to summer programs, when we start actually implementing more cardiovascular movements such as running, jump ropes, box jumps, etc., they really, really hate it. Not everyone, but most people do not enjoy it, okay? Why? It takes a lot longer to build a strong cardiovascular capacity than building something like strength. And not only that, if you are out of shape, you'll feel it right away. Instead, that when you're out of shape and you do weight training, it's not the same thing where, yes, maybe you'll feel not as strong as other people, but you'll still manage to do it. If you're really out of shape and I'm trying to make you run in 30 minutes, it's going to be very, very difficult. So today's podcast is with the purpose of making you guys understand all you need to know about cardio, how to make it better, and just the different formats of cardio, cardiovascular trainings, HIIT, etc. So let's get right into it. Cardiovascular activities, often referred to as cardio, encompass a diverse range of exercises designed to elevate your heart rate and respiratory function. These exercises engage multiple major muscle groups, propelling your body into an aerobic state where oxygen is utilized efficiently. Running, cycling, swimming, dancing, and even brisk walking are just a few examples of cardio workouts that can be tailored to suit individual preferences and fitness levels. Cardio exercises offer a multitude of benefits beyond just calorie burning. They improve cardiovascular health, boost endurance, and enhance overall well-being. However, when it comes to weight management, cardio plays a pivotal role by creating calorie deficit, the key to a sustainable fat loss. So, the calorie conundrum, balancing energy intake and expenditure. So weight loss as its core hinges on a simple principle: expending more calories than you consume. This calorie deficit can be achieved through a combination of dietary modifications and increased physical activity, with cardio exercise being a potent ally in the latter. While cardio alone may not be the best solution or the sole solution, it can significantly amplify your weight loss efforts when combined with a balanced diet. By incorporating regular cardio sessions into your routine, you may not only just burn calories during a workout itself, but also experience an elevated metabolic rate for several hours afterwards, further contributing to your caloric deficit. So guys, in most cases, not all cases, when people really want to lose weight, or when people want to, shed off just a couple of few pounds, increasing such factors, cardiovascular movements such as cycling, walking, running, jump ropes, whatever it is, can really, really help you burn enough calories. And we know the simple and golden rule to weight loss is calories in, calories out. That's the most simple. Then there's hormonal imbalances, thyroid malfunction, stress, and other things that come into mention. But in general, it's calories in and calories out. So by doing cardio added with the weight training can really, really, really help in trying to make you lose weight because you're burning more calories. So the golden question: who wins, cardio versus strength training? Let's get into it. So, strength training, which involves lifting weights or engaging in resistance exercises, is often touted as an essential component of a well-rounded fitness regime. While cardio excels at burning calories during a workout, strength training has the unique ability to build lean muscle mass, which in turn boosts your resting metabolic rate, the number of calories your body burns at rest. Rather than pitting cardio against strength training, a harmonious combination of the two can yield optimal results. Cardio sessions can facilitate calorie burning and improve cardiovascular fitness, while strength training sculpts your physique, enhances muscle tone, and supports long-term metabolic efficiency. So, cardio can make you burn calories. The difference is between cardio and muscle building is that as you burn calories, as you start losing more weight, if you don't weight train, you're gonna look like a skeleton. Now, if you're weight training at the same time as you're burning your calories, as you're implementing these cardiovascular exercises, you're gonna not only burn calories, but you're also gonna build muscle, which is gonna help you with the way you look, right? Because you don't wanna just lose weight, you also wanna have a beautiful body that is toned and have a strong, lean muscle mass. So, how to find the sweet spot? As with any aspect of fitness, moderation is key when it comes to cardio for weight loss. While some may believe that more is always better, research suggests that there is an optimal range with which cardio exercises yield the most significant results. According to numerous studies, engaging in cardio exercise for 150 to 200 minutes per week combined with a balanced diet can lead to substantial and sustainable weight loss. However, it's crucial to tailor your cardio routine to your individual needs, fitness level, and personal preferences to ensure a long-term adherence and enjoyment. I always say, guys, either it's swimming, either it's cycling, either it's walking, either it's whatever you want. Find the cardiovascular exercise that you like doing and do them. Because the mistake people do is, oh, I heard that running is the best, I'm gonna start running. Well, they find out that running is really hard for them because maybe they're overweight, so it hurts their knees. Oh, I'm gonna start swimming because, swimming, swimming is good for me because I heard it's good for me. Then they don't have a swimming pool, so they have to subscribe to a YMCA, and then they have to pay a membership, etc. Find something, guys, that you guys love doing, something that is accessible and easy. For me, I like running once a week. Also, in the workouts that we do at the gym, we do HIIT workouts that involve, muscle building exercises like squats, but also exercise like box jumps and aerobic and etc. So I like to find my mix of cardio in those movements, but also I like to go for long walks at night with my girlfriend, and I like to do 1 day a week of a long cardio session. It could be a run, it could be cycling, it can be whatever. What is HIIT, guys? HIIT, high interval, high intensity training. A time efficient approach. In my years of training people, guys, and what we focus at Full Body is getting you results at the quickest time possible. We know that training takes a lot of time, right? For most people, they're training 4 to 6 times a week, okay? 1 hour, 1 hour and a half sessions, which is a lot. When I started building Full Body Athletics, I wanted to build a program that was able to make you get results in really quickly. And the way to do that is by utilizing programs like HIIT, okay? So if you're pressed for time or seeking a more intense workout, high intensity interval training HIIT might be the ideal solution. HIIT involves alternating periods of intense cardiovascular effort with brief recovery intervals, creating a highly efficient and effective workout in shorter time frame. Studies have shown that HIIT can burn a comparable number of calories to traditional steady state cardio sessions, but in a fraction of time. Moreover, HIIT is also linked to improved cardiovascular fitness, increased metabolic rate, and enhanced fat burning potential, making an attractive option for those seeking maximum results with minimal time investment. Let's make a little comparison here. So I'm 175 pounds, 5'9", and I go for a 1 hour run once a week. Okay. In that 1 hour run, depending on my pace, I might burn up to 800 to 1,200 calories. Not bad, right? Now, in contrast, if I do a 30-minute workout, 30-minute HIIT workout, where I'm doing a combination of 6 exercises, 30 seconds each, and a 10-second interval in between for 6 to 8 rounds, in a fraction of the time, so instead of an hour, in 30 minutes, I may be able to burn up to 400 to 600 calories depending on my physical form. So in less than 30 minutes, I'm burning almost as much calories as a 1 hour run at a steady pace. And not only that, I'm also building muscle because I'm doing exercises that build muscle. If you start adding weights, ding ding, you are at the golden shoe, okay? You've arrived to the summit of fitness and everything that you need to know about it. By including weights into your program of hits, that's when you can build muscle, burn calories, and in a fraction of the time. So, how do I personalize my own cardio routine for my own results or for my own objectives? While general guidelines exist, the most effective cardio routine is one that aligns with your individual goals, preferences, and lifestyle. Factors such as age, fitness level, injury history, and available equipment should be all considered when designing your personalized cardio plan. For instance, low impact activities like swimming or cycling can be more suitable for individuals with joint problems, while high impact exercise like running and plyometrics might be better suited for those seeking more intense challenge. Ultimately, the key is to find enjoyable activities that you can consistently incorporate into your routine, ensuring long-term adherence and sustainable results. Beyond the numbers, embracing the mental and emotional benefits. While the physical benefits of cardio for weight loss are well documented, the mental and emotional advantages should not be overlooked. Regular cardiovascular exercises can be shown to reduce stress levels, improve mood, and boost overall well-being. By incorporating cardio into your routine, you may not only look towards your weight loss goals, but also cultivate a healthier mindset and a more positive outlook on life. This holistic approach can create a virtuous cycle where improved mental and emotional well-being further motivates you to maintain a consistent exercise regimen, ultimately supporting your weight loss journey. Overcoming plateaus. How we overcome plateaus when we're a seasoned vet. Inevitably, there comes a time when your weight loss progress stalls, despite maintaining consistent cardio routine and dietary discipline. This phenomenon known as plateau can be frustrating, but a natural occurrence in any weight loss journey. To overcome plateaus, consider implementing strategies such as varying your cardio routine, incorporating HIIT sessions, or adjusting your calorie intake. Additionally, monitoring your progress through multiple metrics such as body composition, measurements, or fitness assessments can provide a more comprehensive picture of your overall progress, even when the scale remains stubborn. Cardio for weight maintenance, sustaining your hard-earned results. Achieving your desired weight loss goal is a significant accomplishment, but maintaining those results can be equally daunting challenge. Cardio exercises play a crucial role in weight loss management by helping you sustain a calorie deficit and preventing weight regain. Even after reaching your target weight, incorporating regular cardio sessions into your routine can help you maintain a healthy metabolism and prevent lean muscle mass. Additionally, cardio exercise can become a lifestyle habit, fostering a sense of accountability and discipline that extends beyond the initial weight loss phase. Embracing variety, keeping your cardio routine fresh and engaging. While consistency is the number one key to achieving your weight loss success, monotony can quickly lead to boredom and diminish motivation. To combat this, embracing a variety of cardio routine is essential. Like I mentioned before, guys, find something that works for you, okay? Engage in different activities. It can be cycling, rowing, hiking, or even dance classes to keep your workouts engaging and enjoyable. Mixing up your routine can not only challenge your body in new ways, but also prevent mental fatigue, ensuring that you remain motivated and committed to your fitness journey. So now we're getting into the nutrition aspect. So how do I eat for optimal performance while I do cardiovascular training? So proper nutrition plays a pivotal role in supporting your cardio efforts and facilitating weight loss. Consuming a balanced diet rich in whole nutrients-dense foods can provide the energy and nourishment your body needs to perform at its best during cardio sessions. Incorporating lean protein sources, complex carbohydrates, and healthy fats in your meals to ensure adequate fuel for your workout and support muscle recovery and growth. Additionally, staying hydrated by drinking sufficient water before, during, and after your cardio sessions can enhance performance and aid in recovery. While it's important for you guys to train and to do your cardio sessions, it's also important to listen to your body's signals and respect its limitations. Overtraining or pushing yourself beyond your physical capabilities can lead to a burnout, injuries, and potentially hinder your progress. Embrace a mindful approach to your cardio sessions, paying attention to your body's cues and adjusting your intensity or duration accordingly. Incorporating active recovery days where you engage in low impact activities like yoga or light stretching can also aid in muscle recovery and prevent overuse injuries. Celebrating progress, tracking and acknowledging milestones. Embarking on a weight loss journey can be a long and arduous process, making it essential to celebrate your progress along the way. Tracking your cardio sessions, monitoring your fitness metrics, and acknowledging milestones can provide a sense of accomplishment and motivation for you to continue pushing forward. That's why I always say, guys, if you want the best results, if you want to get into shape quickly and efficiently and to remain there for the longest time possible, get yourself a good gym, get yourself a trainer. Here at Full Body, we do physical assessments every second month, okay, to make sure that while we're testing you, you guys are always progressing. So we know that somebody that is very strong when it comes to cardiovascular output is going to last longer than somebody that is not. That is a proven research, okay? Stronger heart, stronger and longer life. That is why when you train at places like Full Body or gym, if you train online with me, which I can program you to, when you train with us, you will have success because we're always making sure that you guys are tracking and acknowledging milestones. It's important, guys, for this journey of fitness that you guys track your progress, because if you don't track your progress, looks are not enough. You need to make sure that you keep progressing physically and mentally. Conclusion, guys, embracing cardio as a lifestyle. Ultimately, the journey towards sustainable weight loss and a healthier lifestyle is not a sprint, but a marathon. Embracing cardio exercises as an integral part of your routine can not only facilitate weight management, but also cultivate a sense of overall well-being and personal empowerment. By incorporating the principles outlined in this comprehensive guide, you can unlock the full potential of cardio for weight loss, while simultaneously nurturing a positive mindset and fostering a lifelong commitment to fitness. Remember, consistency, dedication, and willingness to adapt are the keys to achieving lasting success on your path to a healthier and happier you. Hope you guys enjoy this beautiful podcast. As we're talking about programming, we have a special right now that's going to end on the 1st of August. It's the Summer Body Special 3. Guys, $1,500 worth for $299 tax in. It's finishing on August 1st. So if you listen to this podcast, if you want to get into it, if you're in the neighborhoods of Laval, Montreal, or even South Shore, Longueuil, shoot me a DM on Instagram, Full Body Athletics, or you can send me an email at fullbodyathletics@gmail.com. If you like this podcast, please like and subscribe. It's really important, guys, and it's completely free, and it will help us grow the podcast. Thank you so much, guys. I love you all. Peace and love, and I'll see you soon. Ciao.